This tutorial is on finding the perfect source. It is part 5 in our Search for Sources series. After watching this tutorial, you'll recognize that you may not find the perfect source for your project and understand how to use multiple sources to support your topic. Many students struggle with finding the perfect source for a project. The assignment guidelines make it sound so simple when they say, you need 5 sources, 3 must be articles, 1 must be a book, and 1 is your choice. That doesn't sound too hard, right? And it would be great if you were guaranteed to find multiple sources on your exact topic, but that's not always possible. Instead, you might need to look for different sources that address different parts of your research question and then combine them. We call this synthesizing. To start, think about your topic. For example, let's say that you're researching how the Civil War affected white and black children living in both the North and the South. You have 4 different concepts: black children in the North, black children in the South, white children in the North, white children in the South. You might not be able to find 3 articles that talk about all 4 of those concepts, but you might find articles that cover 2 or 3 at a time. Maybe there's an article about children of both races in the North, or an article about the experiences of black children in the North and the South, or an article about just one black child in the South. It's okay to use multiple sources as long as you find enough information to cover all the parts of your topic. One thing to remember is that you want to find the best sources for your project. Don't be tricked by an article that sounds perfect on the surface, but isn't closely related to your topic. For example, let's say that you find an article on black children and white children in the North and South of England during the English Civil War. That sounds great, except that the English Civil War was completely different from the American Civil War, so it's not a good choice for this project. As you do more complex research projects, you'll need to synthesize multiple sources and use the other strategies we've talked about in these tutorials. Start practicing now so they become second nature to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.